This is a Brooklyn-bound 2 train. The next stop is Wall Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Welcome back, everyone. It is Thursday, June 6th. This is Not Your Advisor with NYU Grad. Man, today's volume was just pathetic, but I digress. Let's still cover it. I mean, I have an inside joke with a lot of my paying members that if the SPY ETF volume is under 40 million shares on the day, no podcast, but I just love doing this too much. So we had 658 new highs versus 156 new lows today. Now, with the muted session, it means a little bit less, but it all counts. You had 43% of stocks advancing versus 52% declining. 42% of stocks were below their 50-day moving average, and 34% of stocks were below their 200-day moving average. The Dow was up marginally, up 78 points or 0.2%. The NASDAQ was down 14 points or 0.09%. And the S&P was basically flat. It closed down 1 point. It was really a nothing burger day, a throwaway day. There was no volume. There was no reason to get out of bed, for me anyway, other than to go enjoy the weather before the torrential afternoon downpour. Let's take a look at mega cap land. You had Microsoft, nothing burger, up 0.12%. Apple down 0.7%. Meta down 0.26%. Google up 0.75%. Nvidia down about 1%. Amazon up 2%. Tesla up 1.6%. So really nothing to write home about. Looking at the sector analysis, basic materials were up 0.7%, consumer cyclical up 0.7%, energy up 0.5%, consumer defensive up 0.4%, communication services up 0.3%, and healthcare up 0.2%. To the downside, you had utilities leading to the red, down basically 1%, industrials down 0.8%, and technology down about 0.25%. What will be important tomorrow is the non-farm payroll unemployment data, if you can believe the nonsense data that they report. But that's coming out tomorrow morning at 8:30, and the market will most likely move. Tomorrow is also the last day that Nvidia, for a while, will be trading in the $1,000 mark, because after Friday, we are going to reverse split 10 for 1 on Monday at the open. So if, hypothetically, if Nvidia was $1,000 on Friday, it will be $100 on Monday. You're just going to have 10x more shares in your trading account after the Monday open. It really was a slow session. I'm really pulling teeth to figure out what to talk about, but Robinhood and Costco hitting new highs. A lot of the gold and precious metal miners and ETFs were all green today, which is awesome for a lot of the gold bugs out there. I'll go through what was strong and what was weak really quickly. Keep in mind these are all percents, okay? Smartsheets up 17%, PLG 12.6, Instacart 9.1, Reddit 5.6, PayPal 5.4, K. Hovnanian Homes 4.9, Pan American Silver 4.9, Uber 4.6, Silver Futures 4.4, SLV 4.12, PSLV 3.75, Barrick Gold, ticker symbol Gold, 3.7, Palantir 3.6, Wheaton Precious Metals 3.6, GDX 3.49, SILJ 3.4, UCO 3.4, I always get confused, NG Nova Gold 3.3, DoorDash 3.1, Harmony Gold 3.02, GDXJ 2.88, New York Community Bank 2.5, Rivian 2.5, DraftKings 2.5, Zscaler 2.5, Coinbase 2.25, Uranium 2.25, Etsy 2.1, Amazon 2.02, and crude oil futures 2.01. What was weak? Kava down 7.61%, Kura Sushi 6.3, CarMax 3, SMCI 3, Natural gas futures 2.7, Dell 2.69, BITU 2.5, YEX 2.48, Synopsys 2.43, Bitfarms 2.3, Freshpet 2.25, MicroStrategies down 2.25, and AI down 2.06. That's going to be a wrap for the free members. I want to thank actually all the new free members and paying members. I picked up quite a few in the past 2 weeks. If you are a free member and would like to try the premium content, I did send out a free trial link the other day, but if you missed it, check your spam folder and make sure I'm not in spam. But if you missed it and you still would like an opportunity to sample the paid content and you would like the free trial link, all you have to do is message me. You can send me an email, nyugrad@protonmail.com, or just message me through Substack's message function, and I will set you up with that. Have a great evening, free members. I'll see you after the Friday session. Paying members, please stay on so we can go over some high-level charts because I don't have too much to cover today. That's my train.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.